Hello friends, in today's episode, we have brought for you a completely new kind of fusion fish recipe, green fish. Made with the ever-familiar Bengali rohu fish blended with the fresh green aroma of coriander leaves, green chilies and butter, this dish is as light in taste as it is healthy and modern. For those who don't want heavy oil and spice-rich food and prefer something fresh with a herby flavor, green fish is absolutely perfect. We need 4 pieces of rohu fish, coriander paste, butter, green chili paste, garlic paste and grated onion. First, take 4 pieces of rohu fish in a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, sprinkle a little salt and add grated onion. And add the coriander paste. Mix everything well and marinate the fish nicely for about 30 minutes. During this time, the flavors of onion and garlic will slowly enter the fish, giving a special aroma while cooking. Next, place a frying pan on the stove and add 50 to 60 grams of butter, melting it slowly over medium heat. Once the butter melts, add the marinated fish pieces to the pan. Stir lightly for about 2 minutes, then cover with a lid and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. This way, the fish will slowly cook in its own juices. Then open the lid, flip the fish and cover again for some time. After that, open the lid, stir well and add the coriander paste. Mix properly and fry for a while until the raw smell disappears and the green color coats the fish beautifully. Finally, cover again for 2-3 minutes and our green fish will be ready. While serving, garnish with green chilies and round slices of onion to make the dish even more attractive. The food culture of West Bengal has always been deeply connected with fish, so much so that the identity of a Bengali is often described by the famous saying, Machi Bhate Bangali. Bengali means fish and rice. From riverine villages to urban kitchens of West Bengal, fish has remained the backbone of everyday meals as well as festive feasts. Traditional dishes like Macher Jhol, Shorshe Mach and Bhapa Mach represent the classic side of Bengali cuisine. While in modern times, lighter and experimental fish dishes have also become popular. One such contemporary creation is green fish, a fusion dish made by combining Indian ingredients with global cooking influences. Rohu is one of the most popular freshwater fish of the Indian subcontinent. However, the use of butter in green fish indicates a subtle shift from traditional Bengali cooking. Green fish is not actually an ancient traditional dish. Rather, it has emerged from the fusion cooking trend of urban Bengal. In cities like Kolkata, global food cultures began to influence local kitchens through hotels, restaurants and media. As a result, Bengali cooks started experimenting with new herbs, pastes and flavor combinations. The idea of using a green base of coriander and green chili comes partly from Western herb sauces. Home chefs, food bloggers, and television cooking shows also promoted it as a modern Bengali recipe, further increasing its popularity. Today, green fish has become a symbol of the changing identity of Bengali cuisine. It is neither completely traditional nor entirely foreign. Rather, it is a beautiful example of cultural adaptation. This dish shows how Bengal embraces innovation while staying rooted in its heritage. By combining ancient Indian ingredients with modern cooking techniques, green fish has secured its place as a modern classic in the food culture of West Bengal. Overall, the history of green fish is not just the story of a recipe, but it reflects the dynamic food culture of Bengal, where tradition and innovation coexist on the same plate. So friends, today's episode ends here. In the next episode, we'll return with another new and exciting item. Until then, stay safe, stay well,